Dear science lovers, in this episode we are going to learn what is atmosphere and what is atmospherics. So, anything you see around yourself is the part of atmosphere. Atmosphere is a gaseous envelope of the earth. It varies at different localities according to altitude. The atmosphere is divided into three zones. These are troposphere, stratosphere, and ionosphere. Troposphere is the lower level of the atmosphere, up to a height of about 7 miles. Nearly all weather phenomena occurs in this region. Means all the weather phenomena, that's raining, cold, heating, or wind flow, all occurs in this stratosphere. This region is of great interest to the forecasters studying temperature, humidity, wind speed, and the movement of air masses. Temperature falls with height by about 3 degree Fahrenheit per 1000 feet. The boundary between the troposphere and stratosphere is known as tropopause. So, in this type of weather phenomenon occurs, and it's very important for temperature, humidity, and wind speed, and also the movement of wind masses. Next zone is stratosphere. Stratosphere is the region from about 10 miles to about 60 miles. Then the region is ionosphere. Ionosphere is from about 60 miles to about 150 miles, and it is the uppermost region of the atmosphere. The region from about 830 miles to about 1000 miles is known as exosphere. Now, question is, what is atmospherics? Atmospherics is the phenomena of electrical discharge which occur in the atmosphere, and it causes crushing, crackling sound in radio receivers. So it is a small podcast on atmosphere and atmospherics, and I think you understand very well now what is atmosphere and what is atmospherics. Thank you to listening this episode. Do subscribe us and follow us. Also share this podcast with your friends. Do not forget to visit our website www.chemistrynotesinfo.com to learn more.